ready to do some filming. Do we really have to give this car away?
Can't keep them all, Jay.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys. So we've got this fresh landed, straight off the boat, absolutely immaculate JZX100 Mark II.
That I gotta go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball.
Alrighty, guys. So like I said, this thing has just landed in Australia, thanks to Import Monster. So let's have a quick look at this Mark II.
With the money statement, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been.
So the first thing you might notice is that sexual Streamline origin body kit, and that she's sitting nice and pretty. She's got some genuine up garage coilovers under there, straight from Japan.
Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog.
Nothing works better on a Mark II than these beautiful work emotion Kiwamis in 18 by 9.5 in the glim silver coloring. My favorite thing about these cars is them rear ends. So we've got that shaved boot lip, no actual tail lights, and look at that. That's a nice exhaust. I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Interior. So she's pretty much dead stock interior, but absolutely immaculate. I reckon the guy that owned this pretty much replaced every piece one by one until the whole thing was brand spanking. And then the next thing you'll notice is we got a manual this time.
Just too quick for it. Peeling off like the whip orange. Seen the effort this piss.
What do we got under here? Oh damn! We've got that 2.5 litre single turbo 1JZ and a couple of goodies as well. We've got the full Blitz front mount intercooler kit and a GReddy Radiator.
Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100.
So you're probably wondering, how do I get an entry in on this thing? So this is actually going to be our first ever 1 week draw. And if you're quick, you get double entries, and that's for the first 1,000 only. So as you've seen, this thing is absolutely immaculate. So immaculate, I want to keep it for myself. But I can't. So lucky for you, you can be the first ever Australian owner of this vehicle. So be quick, head to keepitreal.com right now.
Feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in a big league. Go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag.